Full of different youth houses like Casa Joven that worked with young people in different situations like drugs, as Gaston said. I coordinate this network.
The specific thing about us is that we learn that the students learn about theories but also about practice.
And they start something called Institute of Islam Christian Study, and people they were telling they are full, and even they were telling about themselves, we are foolish. We don't know where we are going because everybody are against them.
And it's still a big part of Foundation is more about school and training, from kindergartens to primary, secondary, high school and training school. It's for all the kids with who have problems with education, but it also benefits for the...
This big project, but the results of what we are doing is to be useful for society.
Families, we have schools also, and we take care of jobless people.
That is the reason why I'm here, to connect different cultures, to connect different religions, because in my eyes this is the only way to grow up, to get healthy and to be alive together and to get freedom in this world. Here's my...
So it's clear that we are all very different. So the identity is always a question of same and different.
If we let the hand go slowly, just feel the difference.
Just to feel, oh, self. I feel myself with the breathing.
And this is here invisible part of the iceberg.
Germany. If you have this one, et on est dans le domaine affectif.
Intéressant.
Oui.
C'est mieux que ce soit.
Yes.
Same. And we have a very, very, very good news. Very good news.
Les professionnels qui travaillaient avec les mecs, c'était des assistants sociaux du SSAE, le service social. 6 communautés catholiques, 5 communautés orthodoxes, une évangélique, 5 musulmans et une communauté israélienne.
Training, we have a big meeting with all the coordinators for saying that's so. Deepening is choosing. Choosing is a possibility of this.
Somebody told us you have to do something, you have to have a product after this week.
I think it was very important to visit the documentation center here in Berchtesgaden to learn more about the significant role of this area in the sad history that Germany has, and not stay with the sadness. Use it an apprenticeship to work with the young people and adults in our countries, so as not to repeat the same mistakes and be able to translate history and use education as a tool for social change.
A genuine process to do. We want to invite you to do a deeper step now.
During a meeting.
You have to approach the work
Get freedom.
Academic
Good.
knowledge and popular.
Good.
That's two different.
All his history, what he can transmit to his children.
Roots? You have to write roots. I begin with the man.
Also wir haben unsere argentinischen Freunde haben uns ein Video vorgestellt.
Our Argentinian friends presented us a video, and there were two sequences where we were a little bit surprised. The first sequence was when an educator kissed a child on the mouth very deep.
Mund, sehr innig.
And there we were a bit surprised. There are certainly cultural differences. And the other situation was that an educator showed his emotions very clearly when he said goodbye by crying. He showed very strong sadness and cried very hard. This is also a cultural difference to our professional work.
Zu unserer professionellen Arbeit.
To develop more knowledge of each other.
And the cultures have multi-faces, maybe economical, maybe juridical, psychological, religious.
You saw some conflicts that were written on the table from your stories, the ones that told.
That you took several references, but you choose.
It was really step by step, and that
it was joy and sun, and it was really good. It unifies us always to do such things together.
There was passion, there was interest for it.
What he's speaking, yes, and I learned a lot from Lebanon, from the Lebanese group. You are always talking, that's yeah, your body, and you're telling me a lot of your culture. Every minute, believe me. You have to read it.
And one that is hands all the time. Change the context.
Change.
Remember, we were not in a training, in fact, we were in a community of practice.
C'est important aussi de considérer que les différents contextes, les différents pays partenaires de ce projet rencontrent des situations.
It's important to consider that different contexts of the different countries who are partners of this project encounter different situations, but also propose different strategies to encounter interculturality and this richness to be able to sustain the living together. What is important in this project is to be in a shared thinking, avoid unique thinking, avoid the thinking that would be exclusive. There are different practices, different knowledges that cross here very authentically, who allowed really for each to go back home with a richness founded of the capacity of thinking objectively and to act in the general interest. I feel relatively content at the end of this training to have take part to a community of practices, because I encountered social workers from different countries and exchanging with them different professional experiences, thinking to the challenges contained in those professional experiences concerning identity, personal identity, and especially interspirituality, who enriched me during this week. And at the end, we lived conflicts, we talked about conflicts, we can work on them thanks to the different activities that allowed us to better understand what was happening in those conflicts for our professional lives and perhaps also the personal ones.
This seminar is a great experience in the field of interculturality. Each of us came with our own experience. The most important thing is that everyone comes from a different civilization and culture. Each person has somehow represented his or her own culture and civilization. The most beautiful thing about a moment like this is the effort each person makes to understand the other and to understand oneself. Everyone can, in this case, explain his civilization and the particularity of his culture to others. Personally, there was a change in my perception of the cultures present during these 5 days. I really would like to thank the organizers and all the participants for what we did together. Thank you.
Well, the experience in this meeting was very important for us and for our country, Argentina, because this meeting enriches us all as a region and as a work group. I found it essential to share looks and ways of working that sometimes are very different and in other cases very similar, to connect with people from other parts of the world and to be able to create a way of understanding the world. For me, it's great, and I think for the whole group, it's great too. In addition, to be able to share a way of working from popular education, which is a concept that does not appear here and arise as something new. And to continue thinking things together.
This meeting is that we can have, each one of us and the group can have an impact on what the group is about to do in the future.
And we are really willing to welcome your educators from all of your countries.
We have no global reality. We have 18 realities, and everything is subjective interpretation of that what we hearing, listening, smelling.
Thank you all for this. Thank you.
This is the second time that I'm participating with Apprentis d'Auteuil in these international meetings, and they are fundamental for us, for me obviously, and for us because they are really at the heart of our jobs as social workers with young people in difficulty, with the obligation that we have to be in permanent relationship and open to others. In that sense, it's fundamental that we can also open ourselves to other practices that we can share with colleagues who live innovative experiences, who have practices that are sometimes extremely different from ours, and who can bring us solutions when we find ourselves in difficult situations and with perspectives that are not always very interesting or rather blocked. In that context, meeting others, exchanging with them in order to try to always improve ourselves. There's really a dimension of permanent quality improvement in this type of exchange that is fundamental to our daily practice.